elephants big and bold, marching through the jungle, brave and cold. Toto was playful, always full of cheer, while Bobo was quiet but always near. Across the river, deep and wide, with tiny fish swimming side by side. Toto slipped but didn't cry. Bobo helped him, oh my my. They found a tree with fruit so sweet, and danced around with happy feet. Monkeys clapped and birds flew high under the bright and sunny sky. But soon the clouds began to pour, rain came rushing more and more. Toto laughed and jumped with glee, while Bobo hid beneath a tree. Was gone, a rainbow shone, the jungle sang a happy tone. Two little elephants hand in hand, smiling wide across the land.